My name is Sasmit. I'm the quality manager here at Penn. My work is pretty much different every single day. I'm looking at, different drawings every day, different blueprints. I'm trying to figure out, hey, what are the critical dimensions on these? What do we have to do in order to make the customer happy? My background's in finance actually, because of the operational work that I was a little bit involved in, that sparked my interest. Penn's secret sauce is we're on the cutting edge of industry. Manufacturing, it's a pretty ancient industry, and it runs that way for a reason, but Penn is always trying to figure out how to innovate, how to stay ahead of the industry, and how to do things smarter. And I think that's why, we're special. I'm excited about the innovation. I'm excited about how to, work things in a better way. That's gonna bring a lot of change to the industry, and I think Penn is going to be one to embrace that. So being a part of that is really exciting. Figuring out all that technology, implementing it. It's gonna be, a huge project, a huge undertaking, but in the end, it's gonna be worth it.